You can hear the hotel humming. She grabs her shoes, heads out in the rain. Another chorus of the times you could not refrain. Sun undresses the horizon. You grab your phone, text a lot, you're where you're supposed to be this time. You watch the lightning flash across the window pane, but you can barely see the morning through the rain. I carry distance like a burden, my encumbrance and my strain. 40 years across the sands of your devotion, my shame. So I blow a kiss across the garden. Gethsemane seems to me Virginia's just a brick to ease the pain. I'm hardly able to sort the sugar from the cane, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. All my memories fit into a flame, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. The deluge urges me, and the flood submerges me. Innocent the flames, and a flavor on my face. Every arc you feel, there's a hole you never will inside. So won't you call me Moses? Or won't you call my name? Call me home, call me through the dark when I have lost my way. Please receive me. Trust me even when I lie. Leave me when I say I'll try to change. These clouds could wash me clean, all my sin and all my shame, but I can barely see Virginia through the rain. All the world it runs in circles between heaven and the drain, but I can barely see Virginia through the rain. I can barely see Virginia through the rain. Yeah, I can barely see Virginia through